Hi, good morning, and welcome to very first session of Python journey. Maybe you are using this Python for especially, I believe, AI or Gen AI or automation related one. Everything automation means not only one section, cloud automation, networking related automation, DB automation, are planning for Python full stack developer. So the main intention is you're coming from maybe academics also. Recently, you completed your BTech or graduation. So this is a very strongest foundation you will get from this training. It's a 150 hours duration training, especially from the zero I'm going to start. That is the main thing here. For this, no need any prerequisites. You should be good at not in other languages. We are going to start from the zero. Your existing, your belongs to IT related domain, or maybe your academics are related to IT, doesn't matter. And really your academics to the real life utilization is completely different. So the first thing is nowadays Python and one cloud. The cloud part I'm not talking. Yes, Python is mandatory for everywhere. Maybe you have one question, sir. ChatGPT, I'm very expert. I can use ChatGPT in any manner. I can write any code. After ChatGPT, other things like DeepSeek, any LLM you can take it. Now there is a no scope for the full stack developers. Those who are planning have full stack developers, please change your option. Like Python full stack developer, no need. With a single premium subscription, the LLMs are like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, they are writing, they itself writing the code. So then why you are starting this training? Okay, everything you're saying, the Python also it will write. But yes, absolutely. But at least you have a good idea on language where we have a error, where we need to change the code. Now everything is available. Anything if you give that ChatGPT will write. Example now presently ChatGPT, I'm going to use that word. Sir, you need to understand the code. You need to write your own AI models, automation related to your cloud, networking related one, especially networking related one, or ETL reporting tools related one. There we cannot push our sensitive data into the ChatGPT website. So definitely you should be strong at Python. Before 2020, like 2010 to 15, that time if anyone trying to come to the IT industry, C language is mandatory one word. Now it is now presently not only one Python should be good at cloud also, at least one cloud that is AR, AWS or Azure. One cloud is mandatory. Nowadays, one cloud is mandatory. Okay, I'm not going to part here. We are not going to discuss any cloud, but the reality I'm talking. But if you invest 50 hours time, definitely it is lifelong helpful to you. That is my guarantee. Just attend live, give the priority for live training. If it is not possible, only go to the recorded option. Live is not possible, then you can select the recording option. Live is not possible, but complete daily video that day itself only. Don't make it anything as pending. And why Python only famous, sir? Why we have other languages also there? Why we never daily life we are getting some different words: C, C++, Java, .NET, C Sharp, Ruby, Groovy. Yeah, why Python is famous? Only the single answer: easy to use. Easy to use. That's all. Python is almost equal to your English language, almost. And Python also, basic Python is easy to everyone, easy. But in the advanced Python, okay, we have advanced Python also, it is not easy. This is a genuine word. We have classes, oops, functions, decorators, modules. That words are not easy to understand. Initially, first one or two programs, if I show you, it is very easy, means not like that one. Okay, you will enjoy a 15 plus hours general English. Then after, definitely your daily effort is required here. Not easy means if you are not following the live trainings or recorded videos, not easy. If you complete everyday task that day itself, there is nothing complex to you. And Python, we can call Python language is a high level programming language. High level means you are giving the instructions to the machine in the terms of English language only. Low level means machine level instructions. Even as a human being, it is very difficult to normally, if we are learning first time, understanding is very difficult, low level language. But for your Python, it is very easy to learn. And Python having different versions in the market. Presently, 3x is running. 3.15, the latest release. Listen some genuine words about Python. And these two are outdated. And one more thing, especially 2 to 3.x. 2.x, 2.x means you can take number 2.9 like that. Any number you can take it. 2.x syntax and 3.x syntax 100% opposite. Generally, any new version is coming, it will support backward compatibility. What is the meaning of backward compatibility? Backward compatibility means, yeah, you can observe carefully. What is a backward compatibility? Example, MS Office you can take, MS Word. There is a 2000 version or 2003 version. MS Word 2020 version is available. Two softwares are available. This one came like 20 years ago. Now this is presently they are using. For example, one file I created in 2003 document. I created one document in the 2003 version. That file, if I am opening in 2020 software, if I can able to open inside of this another machine, two different machines. I created one file in 2003 MS Office. If the same file, if I can able to open inside of 2020, you can say that is a backward compatibility. But what I'm trying to explain to you, if you write a program in 2.x version software, that program never work in the 3.x. Means Python never support backward compatibility. Those who are invested your time between 2008 to 17 time to learn the 2.x version, now that is useless. Why? Because 100% opposite. Yeah, exactly. You will get a question. First of all, everyone clear about what is the exact meaning of backward compatibility? The meaning is clear.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe you may have one question. What about if today we are investing time to learn 3.15 or 3.x something? The x number is anything. Tomorrow a new version if come. What about today's version? Maybe this version is going to come in 2035. Example. That day you never heard a word 3.x is useless, 100% opposite to 4.x. Why? Because Python very clearly said third version is final version on the earth. Maybe year 1.5 area numbers will change. Maybe after 100 years or after 1,000 years, if these numbers will change. But C is a fixed one. Python is one free organization. It is not a commercial based company. It's a free organization. So that's why now this, even previously there is no object concept. Now recently means in 2010 they added the oops concept in the third version. Slowly even 3.7 it is useless. 3.8 onwards actual working started. Even today, with if you learn Python supporting almost 1.5 different technologies to integrate. You can observe 1.5 different modules integration. 1,50,000 modules integration is possible today in the market. There is no other language easy in this way. Okay, execution part is different again. So how much speed it is different. Why? Because till today, C is the toppest language to execute the any program with low time, low latency also we can call. But problem with C language, there is no concept of object. In every language, everywhere, some word you remember. What is object? You don't get any confused. Object nothing but just one of the type in the Python. Everything is object only now. Everything is object only. That feature is added in the Python. Previously 2.x area there is not available. Yeah. Next one, Python is a free software. Free software. We no need to pay any installments or not paid version. Free software. Anyone can download it. Not paid version. Free software. And Python is an open source software also. Open source means Python is a software and Python also having some code to Python software purpose, some code developed by Python people. Original code. The original code anyone can take and modify and you can sell it. Not only using for Python. This is a using of Python free. You can download and you can use it. What is the open source and paid one here? Open source means Python language software developed example 1 lakh code, 1 lakh of lines code written. The 1 lakh of code anyone can take it. And you can modify and you can resell it. You are taking this is a open source. Python backend written some code. The code we don't know, we cannot see that one. I mean, binary code we cannot understand. That code also they are saying that one that is open source. Even you can one fact also here. Why? Because Python word came. That's why I'm explaining. Linux kernel is free. Kernel is nothing but just like a program. In 1960 time, there is a Linus Torvald introduced this one and is completely given to the world freely. See, 1960 time, their brains are working in that style. And then after this is open source e given free to everyone in the world. Example, Red Hat came to the picture, Ubuntu came to the picture, Debian came to the picture, Amazon Linux came to the picture. Taking this free one, adding their own tools, and on the market they are selling as a paid product. But originally they are getting from the main component from the Linus Torvald given to the world, a small software Linux kernel. And they are doing some decoration like Red Hat, Ubuntu, Debian, SUSE Linux, Mac, whatever today you are using, Mac also same. Similarly, Python software code is free to anyone can modify it and they can resell it. And Python is platform independent. This is very biggest feature. If you write a program in the Windows, you can execute same program without a line change. You can execute on the Linux to Windows or anywhere. If you written on Windows, you can execute on the Linux. Anywhere we can execute it. That is possible. That is a platform independent. Definitely, we need to see one more side. What is the drawbacks also? Finally, all these things leads to you one thing. It is easy and now it is a mandatory technology. Here I am giving to you one promise. I am going to start from the zero. That is, I am giving to you this promise. Just give me a 20 hours time out of 50. You can observe the changes. Okay. So how to start this journey? How to start this journey? Simple. Okay. And we have to remember one guy also who is a technical fellow behind this technology. Guido van Rossum. Okay, in Python also there are some drawbacks are there. I agree for that. Latency issue, one is the problem. But till today, market leader is this one only. But C is ultimate one, guys. Problem with C is a no oops concept. World topest programming languages. Just we are taking some random data. Yeah, this is a one. Especially first word and last word. First word and last word only. The especially module collection is very, very huge. Maybe C language somewhere available. I'm not sure where it is here somewhere. Your Python is for web development or automation, AI, mobile applications, reporting scripts, not only one section. And Python having one website also. Just go to type python.org organization. It is not a like a commercial website. It is just like a organization only. It's an organization. It is an organization. You can see this is official one. Success stories, any documentation. Yeah, document. There is a PEP index is very famous document. Python enhanced enhanced proposals. Any new changes are coming in Python, we can go to this click on this document and we can see which version P1 PEP number 1 7 is important one. So many features come from this area only. And which changes and what they are introducing, everything they will publish here only. Really, it is not a complex language, easy to learn. That is the one. How you are using depending on your other technology. Other technology means you are going to interact with the AI. How much you are strong in the AI? Python is my responsible in this 50 days. You are going to get a scratch to advanced level. But only with Python can I survive means answer is no. Maybe previously you have a few jobs, but with only Python, no. Python with cloud or Python with your tools like reporting tools, Python with AI, Python with clouds, Python even full stack also fine. Full stack developer also fine. But every area, the easiest communication language is Python. Okay, sir. Then how can we start the journey? Simple. Go to the official website python.org and you can see directly if you just move the cursor, download option is there. 3.14, some 3x point something is there. Now this is a one. It's a world last version is 3 only. And just to download that one if it is a Windows. Maybe you are related to Mac related one. You are related to, mostly Windows and Mac only available. If anyone using Linux, please let me know. I will give the single line command. So once if you download, Python never support backward compatibility. Python never support backward compatibility. 2.x program never run in 3.x and vice versa. So presently you can see while installing I have a upgrade option, but in your point you will get one option install option only. So already I have a software. It takes minutes only, just a few minutes, 1 or 2. And you can observe few things whenever we are installing. Just select, okay, presently upgrade now is I can able to see. But in your point, you will get install now. And any checkboxes are coming, please select that one. Especially in the bottom side, you will get two checkboxes. Please select the two checkboxes. Second one is the path setting checkbox. First one is with administrator permissions. I am not able to see why, because this already 3 point something is available in my machine. Again, I'm installing another version. That's why I can see only upgrade option only.
Should we check both the boxes?
Yeah, both is important. Well, if it is not office laptop, you can use both the boxes. If it is office laptop, mostly we won't have the administrator rights. If it is a personal laptop, should be select two boxes. And remember some name PIP is coming, PIP. Great. So if maybe any warning or disable option are coming here, you can select it. Just close this. It won't ask any option. Just select the first option. In the bottom side, you have a two check boxes are available. You will get two check boxes. Select them. Bottom one is mandatory. First one is optional to you. But select two options. That is my suggestion. So once if you complete the installation part, if you go to the start button, you can see type Python word. This MS-DOS window you will get. Actually, it's not 3.14. This is a one. 1 second. Type Python. You will get 3.14. This is a one you will get. But this is not, we are, you can see 3.14. This black color screen is not required for us. Yeah, this is a Python prompt actually. Python prompt. After installation, come to the start button, type Python. You can see Python 3.14 like this window. Here app section, you can see Python 3.14, you will see. Yeah, this is a Python prompt. You can type anything, it will work. If you know Python, just we can write anything. The same thing it is going to print on the screen. Okay, presently we don't know anything. We don't know anything. Just it is going to print. See, if you write simple logic, it is going to write everything on the screen. But presently we don't have any idea. Python prompt, black color screen. But don't use that one. Instead of that, go to the start button, type IDLE. There is an integrated tool, integrated development language environment. Integrated tool will come 3.14 only. So more options are available. Same black color screen will come in the white format. Yeah. But initially you never get this type of big image. So if you want to increase the font size, yeah, you can type 3 greater than after, you can type here anything related to Python. So if you want to increase the font size after opening the IDLE, first install, then open the IDLE, then start, sorry, in the options, configure IDLE, select any font, but this is the best option. Console as this is select this font. Font size depending on your convenience, you can change it. Yeah, in the option area, after opening the IDLE, we can able to see these options. There you can open this IDLE. Increase the font and change the font here available. Yeah, now this is a Python prompt. Two types of areas we are going to learn. If you type one line command, this is a, if you type here anything, it's a one line command only. One line command, it's a one line command only. But what command are instruction in simple words? But what I can provide to my Python, hey Python, please provide me one automation script to generate the report of my today's work. I will take the rest. No, it will do, but not like this way. You have to give the instruction in the terms of code. It's a programming language. Generally, it is a code is required, but not we are the developers. For example, if you want to print one hi message in the Java, at least previously we written 10 to 20 lines of code. In C also, headers we need to add, void main, closing open bracket. But that headache is not here available. That headache is not available here. So here, Python freely providing to you some ready-made programs that we can call as a functions. Yeah. Before that, one thing, Python invited by this guy, Guido van Rossum, still is alive. Don't kill him. Rossum, yeah, not you. Python is not a snake name generally. He's habituated to one weekend comedy TV show, BBC channel inside there, weekly comedy show. So there is a Monty flying Python circus. Is a 1 second Python name reason. You can see Guido van Rossum named the programming language Python because of he was a big fan of BBC comedy serial Monty Python's Flying Circus. It's a TV channel, 1980, late 1980, ending almost. So late, yeah, this is our 1980, like late 80 means end of the 1980, 89, 90. After 2018, it is famous. Almost it took a 40 years to get the market. Even it is even though free to get the market, 40 years it took. Now every area we have this language. Not only I'm explaining Python, that's why I'm repeating. Nowadays, one of the communication language, automation language. If you want to interact with anything with AI, there is only one language that is a Python. Yeah. Now, even there are different versions also available. Yeah. 2.0 came. No, even years and there is no existing PDF now. Live.online I will explain to you. Python versions and years. 3.14. Not this one. I need the old one. Python 1 1994. And officially Python birthday is considered is a February 20th. 1991, I believe 1991. Yeah, February 20th, 1991 is the so first release came to the market. Now today you are using third version, that is a final version. But minor changes. Minor means 3.x after. 3 is okay. These numbers will change. Even after 1 week, if you see 14.6 after in the website, not in your local machine, 146, maybe 7 will come. So minor changes will come, but major is a fixed one only. Okay, now fine, sir. Good of Andrewsum is there and is now is announced as a open source. Everyone today we are using. Great. So fine. Python by default freely giving to you some component that we are calling as a functions. What is a function? Function is nothing but not like a general that is a event function, marriage function. No, it is a ready-made action, ready-made program or logic written by Python people itself. Python people itself. And Python freely providing some functions to us. Some functions it is providing freely, general related one. But in future, your task also we have to write as a function. Mainly code reusability is a target. Again and again, if you are repeating some task every day, make it simple. That is a concept of functions. Sir, I don't know the function today only why you are explaining. Just I explain to you installation part. You are starting one word. No, remember. Python giving to you some ready-made biryani, just you can order and use it. Python already prepared a biryani. The biryani name is nothing but ready-made functions. Ready-made functions. Ready-made function, another name is a build functions. Ready-made functions, another name is a build functions. Build functions will not solve your every problem. You have to create your own functions also. Presently, these ready-made functions. Sir, how what the exactly function will do? Certain action, some action. So one of the famous one is like how in the English language we have a ABCD alphabets like up to Z. In the Python also, Python language also, there are some functions will simplify our task. One of them is the print function. Print function is a one of them. This is here A. And next one type function, ID function, length function, and help function. Some basics are required. These are already written by Python. Function means two brackets will come. Inside you are writing anything or not secondary. Just like this is a function. This is a function. Great. Yeah, please explain one by one. First one is a print function. And remember, Python is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means don't scold that one. Not like that case sensitive. Instead of small letters, if you write the capital letter, it won't work. Mostly you have a small letters only. In the small letters only, we have the concepts. So print function is there. Print function is nothing but if you want to print anything on the terminal, on these white color screen, if you want to print anything, you can give the instruction. The instruction, if you want to print on the screen, we can use print function. You can see I'm writing print. You can write anything in the English. Good morning. So you will get a beautiful error here. You can see it is saying that one. No, you are following the syntax mistake. It is a syntax related issue. The reason is this is your custom data or your own message like WhatsApp message. If you want to print your own message, you should use either single quotes or double quotes. Simply we can call. If you want to print anything inside of the print function, write the string in either single quotes, write it between them, or you can write between the double quotes also. Double quotes inside also you can write it. So this is nothing but anything if you lock or write in singular double quotes, we can call that as a string. Print function, good morning. Yeah, either of any one of them is fine. And see, I'm writing good morning. Yeah, double quote, single quotes, anything, but I will suggest single quote. Again, I'm getting an error. See, very first time I'm writing in small letters, you said this one, perfect. So again, I'm getting a syntax error. Above syntax error, not written the quotes. But now again, I'm getting an error. The error reason is unnecessarily. Any line first character, you should not provide spaces. Unnecessarily. If it is necessary, I will explain to you. Beginning of any line should not start with empty space. If it is necessary, there is some standard rules are there. So again, I am typing print good morning. Yeah, now will it work? This side, this time will it work? Everything is good now. Yes,
I guess no.
yes, no.
No, because you used double quote one side, single quote one side.
Yeah, one more syntax error. See, everything problem only. So if you want to, in the ideally, this is a Python freely providing this ideally. If you want to get previously typed command, use control, not control P, alt P, my mistake, not control P, alt key, then P, or alt key plus N. Any one of them you can use. Up is P, down is N. Yeah. Now this will work. You can see the blue color one is coming means your command is or your function is working perfectly. Simple. Yeah, above three conditions are clear to everyone. Why we are getting an error? Is it clear? Three reasons are perfect.
Yes.
Yes.
So print function nothing but just like a if you have an idea in C language, printf, printing something on the screen. Printing something on the screen only. Just if you want to execute anything on the screen, you can write print function. It's a one line command. Should be one, three greater thans are there. Here you can write only one function only, one time. Sir, no, sir, I want to write 10 lines at a time. Is it possible? Is it possible? Again, I am closing my Python ideally. Just closely watch. I'm closing. I don't want to save. Sorry, this is notepad. My mistake. I closed. No problem. It is anyhow. I'm closing this one. Type IDLE. Yeah, IDLE Python came. Click on this. This is a Python terminal. But what is my question? I want to write 3 or 4 lines at a time. Yes, that is also possible, but not here. Not here. Only one line we can write it. Just go to the file option. In IDLE only there. File option, new file. When you select new file, one file will be opened which is similar to your notepad. There you can write your own print function n number of times. You can write your print function n number of times. Here I am writing, you can see, even for your more easiness purpose, if you want to get line numbers, just go to the options, show line numbers, you can use it. In this, once when you open file, new file, one file will be created. And that file is untitled, means it is unsaved file. So if you want to print anything, you can write it. Print, I'm writing good morning. Print, have a nice day. Print, some design. Thank you. Yeah, you can write single quotes also. Every print statement will come in the new line only. Every print statement will come in the new line only. See, you written some like a notepad, but you have to do one thing. You need to save this file. For that file, save, otherwise Control S. My file I'm saving on my desktop. First, just to provide name only, no need any extension. Only provided first and where to save. I selected the destination, desktop, only provided name, automatically it will pick up py extension. Just click on save. Now you can see, now my file has saved with one name in this location. You written some code. If you want to execute it, go to the run button, run option. There is one option is the run module. Run module is there. Run module, press F5 otherwise. If you press F5, this total code result will be come in your IDLE terminal. Here it will come. This is your notepad or something you're writing. That program will execute. This output will come in the IDLE. You can see run F5. So your program loaded up from the desktop and the code you cannot see. The code will not load. The output is loading on the screen. The output is printing on the screen. Yeah, either you can write here one line also fine. You can write one line. This is fine. Some message. Otherwise, you can take a file and write like my screen. That is a program. Either one line or multiple lines also you can write it. Great. Sir, there are some in the string inside. Very clearly I'm saying that one. In string inside. In string inside. Very clearly I'm talking. 1 second. Where is my notepad? Yeah. There are two special symbols we have. In double quotes, you're writing print double quotes or you're writing single quotes. Na? Here you're writing some matter. Good morning or something. This hyphen area, you're writing some matter. And here you can observe there are two special symbols are there. This is a one symbol only. Slash n, slash t, backslash n, backslash n, backslash t. To generate this symbol, you are typing slash 2 times. But it's a one symbol only without spaces you have to write. Slash n for generating the new line. T for tab space. Tab means usually 4 or 5. Side by side spaces are continuous spaces. Side by side spaces only. Means you can go to the IDLE or program, any one of them. You can take one more program also. You can see. I'm writing good morning slash n. First starting only before close this one. Come inside. You can write good morning slash n. How are you? Slash n. Have a nice day. So from here to here, first line will come. Then slash n is nothing but next content will go to the second line. Then break the line, third line. See, just I used special symbols. With that, I can print statement in 3 lines. Otherwise, you can see good morning slash t. How are you? You can see some tab space is involved here. One tab space. Either you can write 2 times, 3 times, 4 times also you can write it. Side by side, you can write 2 times, 3 times, 4 times also you can write it. You can see some tab space is involved here. Otherwise, combination. You can see print slash t slash t slash t. So menu list slash n slash t slash t slash t. Option 1 addition. You can observe first initially 3 tab spaces 1, 2, 3. Then printed menu list. Then break the line. Then break the line. Cursor coming here. Again 3 tab spaces. You are printing. Are you able to understand these symbols too? Everyone? Is it clear? New line and tab space?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Just printing the purpose only. Printing something on the screen, we can use this function. Okay, sir. Printing okay, new lines okay. But what is the use of this one? No use. Just printing on the screen. We need to start a big concept here. Variables concept we have to start in the Python. This is a very first topic we are going to start in the next session. Clear about today's session, everyone? Just I explained to you what is the history, and second one, installation. A ready-made functions are there. Function means one task. Ready-made functions are there. One of the function is print. I will write some names. I deleted that file actually. ID function, type function, help function, and length function. There are some functions are there. We are going to start today. Just I introduce it to you print function. But is it full information? No. It's a very basic level information. We have to learn print function in advanced level. That also I will cover in the next session. Yeah, fine. Everyone clear about it?
Yes, sir.
So I'm
Yes.
stopping here, and I will forward this recorded video in our group. We have one WhatsApp group now, paid WhatsApp group. There I will share to you. Yeah, you can use same link for tomorrow's session also. I will update this document and program, whatever I used in this program session, I will share to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.